Hello dears, today I am going to show you this alphabet U, 21st alphabet of the series. I am going to use the 4mm hook with a 4-ply yarn. So let's begin. I am also going to use a scissor and a tapestry needle. So let's begin. Make 28 chains. So we make 28 chains. Then we'll make double crochet into the second chain from the hook. So make 10 double crochets and we'll be right back. Then we'll make 2 double crochets into the 11th chain, 1 and 2, go back into the same chain. Then again we will make 2 more, 1, into the same chain. In the 12th chain 2 double crochets, and again 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochets into the next chain, 1, and 2, you can see it turning, and then we make the next into the next 10 double crochet, next 10 chains we make double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have completed the alphabet U, and then we will just slip stitch into the sleeping double crochet twice, and then chain twice and snip it and fasten it, and then your alphabet U is ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye.